Chris, quick fire questions. Is cracking your knuckles bad for you?
Well, that depends on why you need to crack them. The actual act of cracking them actually isn't a problem, but why you feel the need to, that needs further investigation.
Should you stretch every day?
Great, why not? It's one of those things where the more you can stretch actually, within reason, the easier things are going to be, the more flexible you're going to be.
And does getting old mean accepting more pain in your joints?
Hell no. It's one of those things, unfortunately, when you get older, yes, the fact and sheer reality is you're probably going to experience some more aches and pains. However, that does not have to be, I'm getting old, sit in a corner and give up. We can do lots and lots to help with that.